Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Everything Averin. Welcome back to another quick video we got for you here today. I wanted to address a question that you guys have been asking, or a statement you guys have been asking ever since you guys have seen that I purchased 2 sets of Venomrex and wheels and tires for the EcoBoost. Well, like I said before, it's all about that weight factor. It's all about that weight reduction. And when it comes to tires, wheels, you're not only worrying about the actual weight, you're actually also worrying about the rotational mass that weight actually causes. There's actually some calculations you can probably find online to try to figure out just how much power you're actually gaining to the wheels if you do reduce the weight of your wheels and tires. But I don't have that calculation. I'm not worried about it. But trust me, it is a significant amount. So what I wanted to do was actually just real quick, before we sell my old stock wheel and tire combination, I wanted to take the weight, show you guys just how heavy these guys were, and then as well as I'll tell you just how heavy those ones were, the off-road versions, and then we'll last weigh the on-road versions, and you'll see just how much difference in weight that these tires are in comparison to the lightest weight combination that I have, which is the TOYO Proxes. So let me get the scale out and we'll see just how much these guys weigh. Starting off, we're going to go ahead and take a look at my newest wheel and tire combo here, which is the Venomrex 602s wrapped in 285/70 R17 BFGoodrich K02s. And we can't really weigh them because they're already on the vehicle, but don't worry because I already did this in the past. And with this tire and wheel setup, it's 24 pounds for the wheel and 51 pounds for the tire, brand new, which adds up to about 75 pounds. So you keep that number in your head. See that we are now rolling on 75-pound wheel and tire combo. And next up, we'll go ahead and measure my old or stock versions, which I had, which was a 20-inch FX4 wheel and wrapped in 275/60 R20 tires. So I got one already here ready. So let's start measuring. So hopefully you guys can see here, but we got my little bathroom scale out. Keep in mind, my current wheel and tire combo is 75 pounds. So let's see what this stock one was. And also another thing to note is that this tire is actually partially worn. I'd probably say it has about 85–90% of life left. So it's not even the full weight that it probably was at the beginning, but we'll still just kind of see how much different it is at the moment. So rolling it onto the scale, I'll do this a couple times over. So first weight, we have 90.4. I'll take it off, reset it, do it again. 89.6. Take it off third time, let it reset. 90.4. So pretty much we can confidently say that this wheel and tire combination, or the previous stock version I had, is about 90 pounds. What? Keeping in mind that this wheel is already worn, or the tire is already worn rather. So we're probably looking at about 92 to 95 pounds for that tire setup, which is a lot. That's about the size of a small adult. So with that, let's move on to the next wheel and tire combo. So next up, we're going to weigh my lightest weight wheel and tire combination, which is my TOYO Proxes and the other version of the Venomrex 602s. So you guys will really get to see just how much difference the weight between these ones and my old ones were. Alright, so moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and roll these on here and let's see what we get. First weight, 59.6. Back it off, let it reset, do it again. 59.6. And we'll do it one more time. 59.6. So if you wanted to round up, you can call it 60. And well, as you guys can see, there's so much difference between that weight. So guys, you now see why I'm excited to have those 2 sets of wheels, why I took the investment to purchase those 2 sets of wheels, because of just the massive amounts of weight that I'm shedding with these different combinations. Keep in mind that this was probably 90 to 95 pounds with the brand new tire on it, which is extremely heavy. And then the ones I have on there right now, which are off-road versions, same type of tires, same rugged look, which is only 75 pounds, a whole 15 pounds lighter. And then of course the on-road extremely lightweight versions, which is the TOYO Proxes with those Venomrex, only 60 pounds. Like guys, really, the proof is in the pudding. This lightweight wheel combo is just going to be extremely quick off the line, make this truck have a lot of top end capability, and just really bring us down into potentially those 11-second quarter mile ranges and even into the 3s when it comes to the 060s, which is really unheard of for most cars, but yet alone a 6,000 pound truck, that is just freaking ridiculous, guys. So I'm excited to put these on pretty soon, see the capabilities, see the potential, see how they actually feel, and really just start taking some time and hopefully get it to the track one of these days soon. With that, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you now understand, hopefully you now see why I went ahead and made the investment to purchase the 2 sets of wheels and tires. Just the immense amount of weight reduction that's going to occur with these 2 sets, being that the off-road versions are about 15 pounds lighter than these guys here, and the on-road versions are 30 to 35 pounds lighter. And keep in mind, that's with one wheel multiplied by 4. That is an immense amount of rotational mass that I'm eliminating from this truck. That is truly the reason why I went ahead and made this investment, to make my EcoBeast the true EcoBeast that I continuously call it in all my videos, guys. But with that, I'm gonna call it for today's video. You guys now know why I like to spend money, especially on that truck. And well, to be honest, I can't wait to see what we do next. So if this is your first time at the channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button below, turn on notifications because you don't want to miss out. We're going to be installing these guys pretty soon, taking off that bumper, and really seeing what this EcoBeast can do. I'll see you on the next one.